channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and today I am here with another recipe known as kacha kebab. Kacha kebab. I am going to make this in mutton. For that I have taken raw mutton. I have not boiled this. I have taken 200 grams of mutton here and I have cut into small pieces. You can see my pieces how it is. We are not going to boil this. We are going to fry this raw only. So we will marinate this chicken for mutton for half an hour, and then we will see how we are going to make. For that I have taken 200 grams of mutton here. You can do in chicken also, no problem. Only small pieces only you have to take. Chicken will take less time, but this mutton will take at least half an hour to cook. In slow flame we are going to cook this. Okay, then we are going to take the salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala I have taken, and Kashmiri chili powder. I have taken mutton masala, Shakti mutton masala. Only 1 tablespoon I have taken. Ginger garlic paste, lemon, half a lemon I have taken, and 1 tablespoon of curd I have taken. So now I am going to marinate this with all these ingredients. Now I will tell you how many spoons we have to take all this. So now I have taken 200 grams of mutton. I have cleaned that, and without water I have kept it. There is no water at all in the mutton. See, in this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Small tablespoon only I am going to use, not big only. See my tablespoon, how small it is. Only 1 tablespoon of chili powder I am going to add. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder I am going to add in this. Then again half a tablespoon of coriander powder I am going to add in this. I am adding garam masala, half a tablespoon of garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder. I am adding 1 full teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. I am going to add mutton masala, Shakti mutton masala. 1 tablespoon I have added in this, and then 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste I am going to add in this. 1 tablespoon of curd, and then small lemon I have taken. Now squeeze the juice. Only little juice I am adding in this. From that half also I am adding little bit only. Now we will mix all these ingredients all together nicely, and with this I am going to add salt also. I have not added salt, so 1 full tablespoon of salt I am adding in this. Now I have mixed all the masalas in this mutton. See how my mutton looks. If it is dry only, the masala will catch to the mutton. Otherwise it will not get catch to the mutton if it is watery. So please be careful while mixing. The mutton should be in dry state. So now we will keep this in this refrigerator for at least half an hour, and then we are going to fry in oil in slow flame for half an hour. I mean not half an hour. If it gets cooked easily in 20 minutes, then we can switch off the flame. Otherwise for half an hour at least we have to wait. Now I am keeping it for marination. After half an hour we will take and see that. Now I have taken a pan. In that I have dropped 3 teaspoons of oil. Now let this pan and the oil gets heated up. After half an hour I have taken that. Now it has been nicely marinated. Now we will dip it in the oil that I have kept in the pan. Now note this, we are doing kacha kebab, so we should keep the flame in dead low. Keep the flame in dead low. Cover this. Cover this and let this be for 20 minutes wholly. If it is not that much of soft, then you have to keep that for half an hour. In between that, please check. I don't know whether half an hour it takes or 20 minutes. I'll be telling you the exact time now. After 10 minutes, let's open and check. See, the excess water in the mutton itself is enough to cook. You should keep the flame in low. Don't keep the flame in high. With this excess water that comes from the mutton should be nicely cooked for the kachcha kebab. We will cover this again. Now we will check after another 10 minutes. See, all the water has been absorbed and nice smell I'm getting from this. We will keep it for another 5 minutes and then we will remove this off. See how good it looks. This is called kachcha kebab. I bet cook only once and see. Then you will be doing it again and again. The taste will be very good. Please do try. It took 20 minutes for me to cook that. If the pieces are in big sizes, then it will take more time. You should cut the pieces into small only. Now we will serve this in a plate. Now I have served this in a plate. It took only less oil for me to cook. I have served this with onions, lemon and carrot. You can take this side dishes for biryanis, all biryanis, it will be suitable. And for the plain rice, you can mix this masala and eat. It will be even more good. Please do try it at home. You will love it. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Bye.